Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad was started with a vision to cradle inventions and foster innovation, while equipping our brightest minds to manage the most complex challenges of our times. In its 10th year today, IIT Hyderabad's sprawling 570-acre campus area offers a wide array of academic choices, ranging from BTech to PhD in all branches of engineering, science, liberal arts and design.
At IIT Hyderabad, we have tried a very novel academic program, academic structure. I believe we are the first, not just in India, but possibly the world. And we have named it Fractal Academics. The core idea has two basic components. One is to have a program which focuses both on breadth and depth.
The whole idea of this one is to fractalize or atomize the courses in such a way that we give a holistic education to students. And the key idea of this one is to atomize the course and to induct a student into his department at an early stage.
Another objective here is to have a large number of electives. Okay. And in some sense, so the thing is not highly structured. The student has opportunity to try new things out here. In fact, the vision is more like a smorgasbord, that rather than having a pre-structured program for the student, each student can design his or her own program. They can pick and choose as to what they want to do.
I am liking very much the life in campus, because here I am meeting many friendly people and I am making a professional contact.
Life at IIT Hyderabad seems to be pretty interesting. I'd say IIT Hyderabad is unique because we have a state-of-the-art curriculum system.
The journey where I started a new club till the time I'm, handing it over to another student, that whole journey was a very special time for me.
As a woman, I feel really safe in the campus because there's special cell, this women's cell, which personally looks into the matters.
Every student of IIT Hyderabad thinks that what he has given to the institution, no one thinks that what institution has given to him.
I don't have time restrictions for lab, and that's the thing that we get here. It's good to have good friends here.
The other milestone was to have a significant number of girl students. Overall, we have 20% girl students, which is fairly high, compared to most other institutions in the country. Even at the undergraduate level, where normally one has very few girls, we have 17% girl students in our BTech program.
Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad is home to state-of-the-art facilities for carrying out cutting-edge research in its 100+ research laboratories. The Institute's faculty members have been involved in a vast number of research projects across disciplines, winning several laurels for the Institute and the nation.
IIT Hyderabad has been consistently ranked in the top 10 institutions in the nation by NIRF for the past 3 years, which is a reflection of the quality of research that happens here. Now, the research funding that IIT Hyderabad has received is in excess of 220 crore rupees. And we have also had our faculty publish in some of the top tier journals and conferences across all of the departments that we have here.
We have done one of the largest research projects, which is on severe physical systems. This project had researchers from many of the disciplines like computer science, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering and liberal arts.
We are working on surveillance video analytics, and we have memorandum of understanding with City Traffic Police Department to get the CCTV footage to find the bikers who are not wearing the helmets, and then generate alerts to the police control room.
Be it path-breaking pioneering research projects like the 5G technology patent or the fluorine-free drinking water, IIT Hyderabad is committed to cutting-edge research in its search for a better tomorrow.
We have developed a 5G mobile communication system, which we call sometimes Massive MIMO. So we are trying to take this technology, first we are going to commercialize it. Second, we are trying to make it part of 5G global standards.
The Institute has also given birth to several revolutionary initiatives like the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan and is home to several entrepreneurial incubators in collaboration with industry leaders while also offering a minor program in entrepreneurship.
It's a great experience associating with entrepreneurship activities at IIT Hyderabad. So we are actively engaged from 2012 to develop this ecosystem. So it's a fantastic experience interacting with young minds and already established organizations.
Under the dynamic leadership of Professor U.B. Desai, IIT Hyderabad today has the best faculty to student ratio amongst all other IITs and is home to 2,500 plus students from across the world, with world-class hostels for both men and women students and a high-end faculty housing complex planned within the campus premises. Home at IIT Hyderabad is never too far away.
It's an awesome place to stay, a residential campus, and particularly, this campus, it is surrounded by so many lakes. You have one in the front, one in the side.
The construction quality is outstanding, and we like the design very much actually. So the interior design is really, really great, and so very comfortable. Everyone is so happy with the design.
So the next phase of construction will start in a month's time, wherein various department buildings will come in. We are also planning to build a knowledge center, administration block, hostels, convention center, international guest house, research center complex, technology and research park and incubation centers.
IIT Hyderabad has a strong Japanese collaboration, redefining the research outreach and learning atmosphere at the institute.
There is hardly a week goes by when a Japanese professor is not visiting us. There is, almost regularly our faculty are visiting Japanese universities. We have MOUs with some 14 or 15 Japanese universities and certain understanding with many more, to the extent that we have 100 of our graduates pursuing higher studies in Japan.
The institute has also signed several Memorandum of Understanding or MOUs with 50 plus global universities from Japan, Australia, Taiwan, Europe, Germany, United Kingdom, Canada, and the United States amongst others. IIT Hyderabad's placement cell attracts the world's best companies and lays a stepping stone for a bright future ahead for graduating students. With our mission to create future-ready ideators and prepare leaders in education and research, today IIT Hyderabad continues relentlessly on its journey for the advancement of India and the whole of mankind.
As fresh IIT graduates, you are entering a world and an India packed with opportunities. There is so much you can do and so much you can achieve for yourselves, for your families, for societies at large, particularly for those less fortunate than you. Please dream big and aim high, and please take risks. The time to do is now.